I am in 100% support, because when you have the INEC chairman that's supposed to be neutral in his decision making, and he refused to do that, the only thing that you are sure of, that you are not sure that the election will be free and fair. And so it will be onerous to the person in question to quickly resign his position, so that an independent person will be appointed according to Justice Mohammed Uwais' report, which says that the position should be publicly announced, and then 3 persons should be selected, and the Judicial Council of Judiciary will be able to give and select 1 person independently. Because the handle of the INEC chairman has clearly stipulated that he is actually partisan. And with all due respect, what has happened to the ADC justify that. This particular INEC and the previous INEC has put his hand in the Labour Party and destroyed it. Has also put his hand in the PDP, it has also destroyed it. It has also put his hand in other political parties, including now the latest one, which is the ADC. And this trend will continue, not only for anything, but to justify the fact that Mr. Peter Obi, as far as I am concerned, does not have the ticket to run for election. This is just the course of the matter. So, in fact, what we have seen as regard to what he has tweeted in his handle shows that he is partisan, and we need an INEC that is not partisan.
Professor, can Nigeria trust any election that Amupitan will conduct, whether the allegation and true or not?
With all due respect, Nigerians won't trust it, because there is no any showing that indicates that this electoral umpire called INEC under his leadership will give us the desired result of credible, free and fair election. I am not convinced, and I know millions of Nigerians are not convinced.
Okay, sir. From the area council election experience, is the party mobilized enough to make an impact at the 2037 election?
Mobilization, yes, because I can attest to the fact that every local government and every ward of the FCT was clearly mobilized. I give you an example. 1,401 polling units in the FCT in Amak in particular was also mobilized accordingly to ensure that everybody is there. But when the result will come out, you will find out that the result was being manipulated still under the leadership of this present INEC chairman. So that's to show you clearly that there won't be any credible election in Nigeria. And so we are calling seriously, Nigerians should call for his resignation, and at the same time also mobilize to ensure that the right person will be put in place to run election in Amak.
Yes, sir. What are the latest updates on the ADC congresses? And what is the party doing to resolve that?
Well, as regard to the issue of legal issue, it is already the domain in the courts. So we'll allow the court to adjudicate on those matters. But what we will continue to advance is that to insist that election is done free and fair for the benefit of the Nigerian people. The truth is clear. Credible election bring in credible leadership. Credible leadership bring in good governance, and that is where the obedient movement stands. We want credible election that can usher in credible government and good governance in Nigeria. Thank you.